Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today I'm making a Christmas card. So I really wanted clouds. And do I have a cloud stencil? Yes. Do I know what it is? No. And I also got some Gnomes. So these are the dies I use. They're really funny looking gnomes. And for the hats I use Christmas printed what is that, scrapbook paper. So their hats have a little design, and I wanted to leave the bodies just matte. I improvised and made my own clouds. I think they came out kind of okay. I just used like a regular printing paper, and I drew the clouds I wanted, kind of, and then I cut them out, and yeah, heck. That was a squeaky toy from my dog. He's a very, very needy. And for my card, oh, I forgot the name. I always forget the name of this card when it's like longer. I use one of this, and it comes with two other one. And the way I store it is clip thing. Okay, and then I hang it up on little hangers inside the drawer. Sorry, with the clouds. Okay, so basically same thing. With the stencil, I want to leave the edges wide because I just think it will look more neat. So I got this washi tape I do not need, and I'm gonna align it just over the dots to keep it clean, and it also makes everything just very flat and straight. Okay, so for my ink I'm just using regular blue. Today I realized I cannot find my my distress colors, and I have them all color coordinated, so really bummed about it. So just like that. Yeah, same concept as with the stencil. Just gotta make sure I don't move. Okay, one done. It looks good. You cannot even tell that it was hand cut out. You can reuse this or throw it away. But I just want to make a little different shapes. That's why I cut more different kinds. Ah, I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this right now. Okay, the third kind. So yeah, I tried to play with the sizing a little bit and make some bigger, some smaller, and I think it came out pretty good. Yeah, I love it. Without stencil, it came out really, really nice. Fun part starts putting everything on the card. I've come to realize when I pull off, sometimes it rips off a piece of paper when you just pull straight up, but when I tilt it down and just go back kind of the same flat way, it's a lot much cleaner, and I still have the edge line, which just makes it so much cleaner. Okay, so we have a body, 3 bodies. We have 3 bodies to make sure that everything fits as well. You just go around here a little bit, not too much. No hands, and okay, maybe I cannot cover the blemish, but it's fine. Okay, 1 beard, very important, but right there. And then for him, I'm gonna do, yeah, the smaller hat. Okay, right on top, right? Top or underneath? Top. 1 is done. Okay, the other one, these are really cute, and they're not like the traditional gnomes. Okay, and then the beard. The beard came in 1 single die. Oh, this one is a chunkier one. No, I mean this one's a skinnier one. The beard is a little bigger. I'll do red one for him. And then my last man. With this card, to be honest, I'm kind of just winging it. It also had a nose, but I'm like, they do not need a nose. Too lazy, because it's just one little circle. I had to cut it 3 times. I got lazy. But it's okay, because I think they still come out really, really cute. And then I also have some gift boxes. I like to play with the color and see which looks better on which. Like, I don't want to put the 2 red next to each other. And these I also cut out from the scrapbook papers. It came from in a different die set, but I was like, I need to fill up the space with something else. And I thought that the gift boxes will be perfect. For this I'm gonna use my helping little tool, a little bit of glue, and then right onto the box. So cute. Merry Christmas to everyone, by the way. I don't think I said it yet. Okay, so I do have to put a sentiment on here. I have these. I think I've never used these. They all say Merry Christmas in different style. And I needed something small, so I think this will be perfect. Down here I just pulled like a scrap paper because I don't want to waste these. And this one I can throw away whenever. I'm putting it down here, and if it's perfectly right under his foot, and I want to keep it in the blue family, so I'm going to be using this color. I hope it's a lot darker than the clouds, or at least a little bit darker. I thought that black would be too harsh this time, so it would pop out too much, and I want the eyes to be on the card, not on the sentiment, because I think this card came out so beautiful. Like, really cute. It's not the most beautiful card, obviously, but I think it just looks really cute. See, when you look at it, this is not a big piece of black chunk, if that makes sense. So it doesn't take away the attention from all the cuteness over here. I love this. I don't think it's the best Christmas card I made, but I think it's the cutest. And then I could write something in the back. I love it. Let's take a closer look. So this is what it looks like close up. I'm really loving how I didn't have to color anything except the clouds, but I think it's like the perfect way to use scrapbook paper that you might have for hats or box decoration. Look at that. I could have drawn those with my hands, but no, I saved time and cut them out from scraps of paper I no longer needed. So it's a win-win. What do we think? I love it. I think it's so adorable. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and Merry Christmas, everyone.